Sometimes we rush in after the storm, sometimes we are the storm, says our Indian Navy. To strengthen the potential of our water warriors, Indian Navy is likely to get 24 MH-60 Romeo helicopters in early 2021 from US to counter China and Pakistan. Hello and namaste everyone. My name is Tanu and I welcome you all to YouTube channel of Shield Defense Academy. रफाल के बाद आइए जानते हैं हिंद के एक और वायुवीर को. MH-60, called as Romeo, is known as a helicopter that can hunt submarine deep inside the ocean. MH-60 Romeo helicopters का अधिग्रहण भारतीय नौसेना को एक महत्वपूर्ण क्षमता प्रदान करता है और मेक इन इंडिया पहल में प्रभावी रूप से योगदान भी देता है. MH-60 रोमियो हेलीकॉप्टर्स के वितरण की योजना 2021 की शुरुआत में बनाई गई है and it comes at a time when Indian Ocean region, हिंद महासागर क्षेत्र, is witnessing increasing security threat due to proliferation of submarines. Now let us see the specifications of MH-60 Romeo helicopters. Climb rate 8.38 meter per second. Maximum cruise speed 267 km per hour, range 834 kilometers, weight 6,895 kilograms and maximum takeoff weight is up to 10,659 kilograms. Why India is in love with MH-60 Romeo helicopters? क्या खास है इन हेलीकॉप्टरों में? क्यों ज़रूरत है भारतीय नौसेना को इन हेलीकॉप्टरों की? MH-60 Romeo helicopters can strike fear in a submarine captain's mind. These choppers will be armed with Hellfire missiles, precision kill weapon system and Mk-54 torpedoes. The helicopters with anti-surface, anti-submarine warfare and with search and rescue mission capabilities will prove to be a very potent weapon. इन्हीं के साथ हिंद महासागर में बढ़ती चीनी उपस्थिति के खिलाफ बहुत ही शक्तिशाली हथियार साबित होंगे. Thus, these choppers will operate from frontline ships and aircraft carriers, providing them the critical attributes of flexibility of operations, enhanced surveillance and attacking capability. Now our water warriors will touch the sky with glory, and also we hope that these aircrafts will enhance and increase the potential of our Indian armed forces. तेरी ये ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तेरा है सागर, तेरा ये जहां, पहरे में तेरे चला कारवां, तुझसे है रोशन ये नीला सा आसमां. जय हिंद.